Congratulations on the purchase of your new Bob PetHair Appetite. Cleaning can be complicated, so with Bob, we kept things simple. Each box contains the Bob PetHair Appetite, a charging station and adapter, 4 side brushes, 2 side brush screws, a Phillips head screwdriver, 2 filters, a cleaning tool, a bumper sticker, a wet mop attachment, and 2 microfiber mops. Before starting, remove the protective piece from Bob's Invisibumper. First, install Bob's side brushes. Place each side brush over the empty socket on Bob and secure using the Phillips head screwdriver and screw. Then, remove Bob's dustbin and flip the power switch on. Next, set up Bob's charging station. Position the charging station against a wall on a hard, flat surface, away from edges and stairs, with plenty of empty space around it. Place Bob on the station and allow him to fully charge. When Bob is charging, the light ring pulses green and turns a solid green when Bob is fully charged. Download the bObsweep mobile app on your iOS or Android mobile device. Create your account and connect the app to your Amazon Alexa or Google Home device for voice control. Follow the instructions to connect your bot and gain access to Bob's full suite of features and important software updates. Equipped with room-to-room cleaning technology, Bob automatically explores, maps, and cleans your home in straight lines, avoiding furniture and obstacles along his path. For best navigation results, keep doors open and remove any clutter before Bob starts his work, and press the Start button on Bob. You can also send Bob to clean through the bObsweep app. When Bob's low on battery, the light ring blinks yellow and he automatically returns to his charging station. You can also send Bob to charge at any time by pressing the Charge button or selecting Charge on the bObsweep app. Do not pick up Bob while cleaning to avoid distorting his map. It's also best not to change the location of Bob's charging station after he's done mapping the house. The bObsweep app gives you personalized control over Bob's cleaning. Use it to schedule Bob and design your customized cleaning experience. Happy cleaning.